Hi, this is Monty with another can-do moment. It's great to have an air compressor. I haven't always had one to help maintain the proper air pressure on my tires and my vehicles. But I'll show you how you can maintain perfect pressure settings without one. First off, let's start with the pressure that's called out by the manufacturer. There's a tire label right here. It tells you what size tire and what pressure. And on my 2025 Nissan Armada, that's 35 pounds per square inch for each tire. So what I do, if I don't have a compressor, the afternoon or evening before, I take the car to wherever the compressor is. In my case, it's 1.5 miles away, but if it's 3 or 4 miles away, it's driving there, the tires are going to generate some heat. You're not really going to get the proper cold tire pressure reading. So what I do is I overinflate those tires by a couple of pounds, 37 pounds per square inch in this case. But you want to make sure that you don't exceed the maximum tire pressure rating on your tires. In this case, it's 51 pounds per square inch. So 37 is safe by a long shot. After putting the proper pressure plus 2 pounds in each tire, I drive home. I park, I put a reminder. In this case, I've put a towel on the steering wheel to remind me not to drive off without first adjusting the tire pressure. So now it's the next morning. The tires are cold, they haven't been driven recently, and it's a good time to set that pressure. They're all above manufacturer's recommended setting. All right, I set them yesterday afternoon at 37. They're probably about 36.5 now since the tires have cooled down. .35 pounds on the nose. Doesn't take very long. Now you're going to do the same thing with all 4 tires, and when you finish with that, you're done. Now if you're parked outside, you want to get up in the morning before the sun shines on the car on one side or the other, because the heat that's generated on the black tires is going to give you an inaccurate reading. You're going to be off by maybe a pound or something like that. But if you want it to really be on the nose, get up before the sun has time to heat the car up, adjust the tire pressure, only takes about 5 minutes, and you're done. That's it. That's my reminder not to drive off with overinflated tires. That was good.